Don't forget anything when packing your suitcase. At the start, place all the travel objects in the tin. This is your stockpile. The players take turns remembering which objects have been placed in the suitcase and reciting them. For example, the first player takes the box lid in their hand, places one of the magnetic objects in the suitcase, in this case a hairdryer, and says, "I took a trip and on this trip I brought a hairdryer." The next player may not look into the suitcase and must recite the objects that are already in it. "I took a trip and on this trip I brought a hairdryer." If they remembered all objects correctly, then they receive the lid and select a new object to put in the suitcase. And a telephone. The longer the game carries on, the more difficult it is to remember all the objects. I took a trip and on this trip I brought a hairdryer, a telephone, a lollipop, a bottle, a watering can, swimming trunks, and if a player forgets an object or invents one, they are eliminated. The winner is the last player left.